Did you know hyenas aren't actually laughing when they make those famous sounds? It's a common misconception that their vocalizations are just for amusement. In fact, these sounds are vital communication tools. They use them to express a range of emotions, from excitement to frustration. Whether it's a high-pitched giggle during a hunt or a soft grunt in social interactions, each sound has a specific meaning in the hyena's complex social structure. So next time you hear a hyena, remember, it's not all fun and games for these complex creatures. Hyenas are often pegged as mere scavengers, but there's much more to their dining habits. While it's true that these wily creatures do not shy away from a free meal left behind by others, they are also skilled hunters, equipped with tactics that rival even the most proficient predators of the savanna. In the wild, spotted hyenas in particular demonstrate an exceptional ability to hunt. They are known for their endurance and intelligence in tracking prey. Unlike the explosive sprints of cheetahs, hyenas engage in long, persistent chases, wearing down even the sturdiest of quarry over miles of rough terrain. This method proves incredibly effective, with success rates that are often higher than those of lions, who might rely more on strength and stealth. Hyenas also hunt in well-coordinated groups, using complex communication to encircle and strategically take down larger animals. This level of cooperation and strategy underscores their role as apex predators, not just opportunistic scavengers. Clearly, hyenas are not just waiting around for leftovers, they're formidable hunters in their own right. In the world of hyenas, females lead the pack. Unlike in many other animal societies where males dominate, the hyena clans are ruled by matriarchs. This distinctive social structure is not just a small quirk, it fundamentally shapes every aspect of their society. In hyena clans, it's the females who are the larger and more muscular than their male counterparts. This size advantage plays a crucial role in establishing and maintaining dominance within the group. The alpha female, usually the largest and most assertive member, leads the clan with undisputed authority. The hierarchy among hyenas is hereditary. Female cubs inherit their social status from their mothers. This inheritance is vital as it determines access to food and mates. Higher-ranking females and their offspring get preferential treatment during meals, often eating first and taking the choicest parts of a kill. Moreover, female hyenas exhibit behaviors typically associated with male dominance in other species. They are fiercely protective of their young and territory, and they display aggression towards intruders and rival clans. The matriarch coordinates hunting efforts, leads the group to water sources, and makes decisions that affect all members of her clan. Interestingly, this matriarchal system contributes to a highly cooperative environment among the females in the clan. They support each other in rearing young and in defending their territory, creating a strong, interconnected society. This female-led society is rare among mammals and places hyenas in a unique light in the animal kingdom. Back to the hyena's laugh. Did you know it can tell us a lot about their social status? Often misinterpreted as mere amusement, the distinct laughter of hyenas is a sophisticated language of its own. This cacophony of giggles and cackles serves a deeper purpose in the complex social structure of these creatures. Hyenas communicate through a variety of sounds, each with a specific meaning. The most intriguing is the giggle, which isn't just an expression of fun, but rather a signal that communicates age, status, and even stress levels within their group. Younger hyenas giggle more frequently during food competitions, revealing their lower rank and attempting to assert their presence. The pitch and frequency of these giggles can indicate the hyena's immediate social standing. Higher-pitched tones often come from those less dominant, a subtle plea for space at a communal feast. Meanwhile, the more dominant members of the clan emit lower, more controlled sounds, asserting their authority without the need for physical confrontation. Every giggle has a story, shedding light on the complex social lives of these creatures. Hyenas and humans have shared landscapes for centuries, but not always peacefully. Throughout history, these cunning creatures have often wandered into human settlements, sparking a mix of curiosity and fear. But what really lies beneath these interactions? Often cast as the villains in folklore and movies, hyenas are frequently misunderstood. Far from the laughing scavengers that myths might suggest, they are intelligent predators with a complex social structure. They play a pivotal role in the ecosystem, helping control the population of other species and limiting the spread of disease by consuming animal remains that could harbor pathogens. In regions where villages edge closer to the natural habitats of wildlife, encounters with hyenas become more frequent. These animals, adaptable and opportunistic, sometimes venture into human territories in search of easy meals. This can lead to conflicts, especially when they target livestock, a valuable resource for many communities. Such incidents reinforce their negative image and often lead to retaliatory killings by humans. However, understanding these interactions from an ecological perspective sheds light on the essential role hyenas play. Conservationists and researchers are working to educate communities on the benefits of hyenas. They advocate for strategies like better waste management to prevent hyenas from encroaching on human settlements and improved livestock protection measures. Promoting coexistence comes down to respect and understanding. By recognizing the ecological benefits of hyenas and implementing informed management strategies, humans can live more harmoniously alongside these fascinating yet often misrepresented creatures. Understanding and respecting the role of hyenas can lead to better coexistence strategies. Hyenas stand out not just socially, but biologically with some truly bizarre features. Delve into the world of hyena biology, and you'll find a creature whose physical traits are as fascinating as their behaviors. One of the most striking biological anomalies of hyenas is found in the females of the species, specifically the spotted hyenas. These females possess what is known as pseudopenises. This organ is actually an elongated clitoris and is nearly indistinguishable from the male's penis. Females even urinate, mate, and give birth through this organ, which can make the latter a particularly challenging ordeal. This unique trait is thought to arise from high exposure to androgen, a type of male sex hormone, during fetal development, but the peculiarities don't stop there. Hyenas are equipped with one of the animal kingdom's most robust digestive systems. Their stomachs harbor highly potent gastric acids that allow them to break down and digest nearly every part of their prey, including bones and hooves. This capability not only minimizes waste, but also maximizes the nutritional gain from each meal. It's an efficient system that supports their scavenging lifestyle, allowing them to extract sustenance from remains that most other predators would leave behind. These unusual biological traits make hyenas one of the most intriguing subjects for biologists worldwide. Their ability to thrive in harsh environments, combined with their unique reproductive and digestive systems, sets them apart in the mammalian world as true survivors. Despite their adaptability, hyenas face significant threats from human activities. In the vast expanses of Africa, where space and resources are becoming increasingly scarce, hyenas are finding themselves at the sharp end of habitat loss. Expanding human settlements and agricultural activities continue to encroach on their natural territories, pushing these cunning survivors to the brink. Adding to their woes is the conflict with livestock farmers. Hyenas, often misunderstood as mere pests, are frequently targeted to protect livestock. This results in fatal retaliatory attacks that not only diminish hyena populations, but also disrupt their complex social structures. Moreover, hunting poses a grim challenge. In some regions, hyenas are hunted for their body parts, believed to possess medicinal properties, or simply to eliminate a perceived threat. This unsustainable practice further threatens their survival. Efforts are being made to mitigate these impacts. Conservationists are working closely with local communities to implement cohabitation strategies and are pushing for stronger wildlife protection laws. Protecting hyenas is crucial for maintaining the ecological balance. So, hyenas are not just the cackling scavengers of the animal world. Let's peel back the layers of misunderstanding and take a fresh look at these fascinating creatures. Hyenas are far more than the villains of the savannah. They are intricate beings with a complex social structure that rivals that of primates. At the heart of their society lies a matriarchal system where females rule, showcasing a rare phenomenon in the mammalian world. Their reputation as mere scavengers is unwarranted. Hyenas are skilled hunters who actually procure most of their food through hunting rather than scavenging. Their laughter, often heard during a hunt, isn't just an eerie soundtrack of the plains. It's a sophisticated form of communication used to establish social relationships and convey information about age, social status, and excitement. Biologically, hyenas are unique, possessing traits that blur the lines between felines and canines. However, they face significant conservation challenges, often due to human conflict and habitat loss. Truly, hyenas are one of nature's marvels, deserving of our admiration and respect.